Hello guys, welcome to Third Eye Review. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Cosmo 7.1 from Redcare. So, as we can see here, 7.1 virtual surround for gaming headset. So this covers full over the ear, so almost it closes the ear. It's quite wide, big one, and it is powered by USB. And as you can see, this is what I received from Amazon. The box was crushed, so we'll just unbox it. So this is the user manual, come along with that. This is one sticker, I don't know where to paste it. This is the driver CD. Don't worry if you don't have CD driver in your system, we can install from the online. And to tell you, like, even if you don't install, it works fine, but with a proper driver installed, it will be better. So we'll see this. So the build quality is good. I can't say it's a premium headphone, but just coming up to the mark. And you can see the cover, weight has been covered. So we'll just remove that cover. So as you can see, I've removed the cover on the top. So this is a metal band. This looks good, but there's something like two plastic strips inside. Hope it lasts long. And there's this steel wire kind of thing. It just stretches when it is put on. Okay, good quality. And this is the mic with the light. Looks good. And this is the cable which has been braided and then laminated with a plastic coating. And we have the switch control in between, so the controls are easy, everything can be controlled here. So we'll just put it on my PC or laptop and we'll see. So I opened the laptop and I'll try to play some music. Before that, you can see that LED on the side which is changing its color. That's called bleeding colors. So here, even on the mic, and here the volume up, volume down, mic, and the lightness. Light, if I press this button, it will go off. So let's just see how it sounds. So this is the Redcare soft driver interface. So this is, you can see, this is equalizer. You can store with different profiles, as you can see. And this is equalizer on, 3D on, reset. You can reset if it's to original profiles and save that profile, and later you can load it whenever you want. So that's the saving of the profiles. So we'll just see, we'll close that file. Now, see the effects. These are the different things which we had seen in earlier OS, like echo, how it will be heard. So we'll see that mic. So you can see, adjust the volume of the mic. So that's custom button mic, and we'll see virtual 7.1 surround. This is given CW, but it rotates clockwise, but it's rotating anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. And if you reset, it will come to normal position as it should be, like front, left, and center.